Craving the ultimate crispy, juicy burger? Today, I'll show you how to make the perfect smash burger at home in just minutes. Here's what you'll need: burger bun, sliced cheddar or American cheese, pickles, onions, ketchup, mustard, or your favorite toppings, salt, pepper, and butter, and of course, a flat griddle or heavy skillet. Roll your ground beef into loose 2.5 oz balls. Don't pack them too tight. No seasoning yet, just shape and set aside. Heat your griddle or pan until it's smoking hot. Add a little butter, then place the beef balls and immediately smash them flat with a spatula. Press hard for that crispy crust. Right after flipping, add a slice of cheese to each patty. Let it melt while the other side crisps up. About 1 more minute. Don't forget your buns. Toast them lightly on the griddle for extra flavor and crunch. Time to build. Start with the bottom bun, add the cheesy patty, top with onions, pickles, ketchup, and mustard, or go classic with just the meat and cheese to top it off, and boom! The ultimate smash burger is ready. Crispy edges, juicy center, melted cheese. This is the burger that hits every craving. Try it at home and thank me later. Like, comment, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Smash that like button if you love burgers.